I'm Sam, pro staff ng Fishing Villa, and I'm also part of Bluebird. And we planned this trip para ma-open yung area natin, yung Balabac sa international market at ma-experience na ng mga anglers yung abundance ng mga isda dito.
Very productive. Ang dami namin nahuli, more than 30 pieces. Baka mahigit pa. So yung ibang angler, multiple.
We hit some school. So we catch left and right from that spot. We had snapper, grouper. We were as well able to land some jack.
So siguro total catches more than 100-120 kgs na.
So day 1, have a couple of rubies, meron din kaming mga sagisi, and day 2 is mostly sagisi day. But anyway, on the second day, Mike Yumang hook onto another monster. Bago ito naman third day natin, meron na naman tayong chance into a monster.
So nangyari, monster fish na naman. Inabot kasi yung natin, pinalikat na line doon, kaya naputol.
So it proves one thing, that this area we're in right now has monsters on it.
Masaya. Sa totoo lang, masaya talaga, kakaiba. Alam mo, first time ko to. Sa boat, day 1, hindi ako makapag-balance sa bangka. Nakakapit lang ako doon sa bintana, Lahat nakakahuli na.